Okay folks, I picked up this mower off Marketplace. It's an Old Sunbeam from probably the mid-70s, made by Victa. 10 bucks. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? I mean, what can you get for 10 bucks these days? You can barely even get a cup of coffee nowadays. The guy I got it from, he suggested it may not be running, but I actually bought two mowers off him. So it could have been the other one that he was referring to. But in any case, we'll put some juice in and we'll see what happens. Alright, we've actually already got a bit of fuel in there, so we'll see if it'll start. Well, nearly there, but have a look at it though, folks. I don't think it's ever been cleaned, so I think, well, first of all, we'll check the spark plug, see if we got spark, and we'll take it from there.
Dad?
Yeah.
You know the PS5 controller charger?
Yeah.
Do you know where it is?
Yep. Oh, just a sec. I'll just come in. Just a sec.
Sure.
Very healthy spark. Must be fuel. I dare say it's fuel. So we'll give it a bit of a wash. I'm just about out of degreaser, so we'll use up what we got left and let the pressure washer do its thing. Alright, that's a bit better. We might get the carby off, I think, and have a look inside. Right, so I've got the carb off. Let's strip it down and have a look inside. Well, it isn't too bad. Not as bad as I thought. Alright. It isn't too bad. Give it a bit of a clean anyway. To Victa. This is on the I'll probably replace this. I haven't got one at the moment, but we'll put this one back in and see how it goes. Okay, the carby that was in there needed some spares, but I didn't have any on hand, so I've taken the carburettor off another mower and rigged it in, and we'll see if it starts. It was okay. It took a little bit to get it going, but I dare say a good carburettor clean will fix that. But the good news is I've got two good motors, so we'll be able to press on with the resto. See you soon.